you can connect the RX with the USB to the PC, like this. Switch on the RX unit, and with the software, you must click on the Connect button. That's right. Now, you can program the first frequency list. For example, if you intend to use this loop antenna, you must write a frequency list with the almost 3 frequency in the same band of this antenna. For example, this antenna covers the frequency list from 2 until 128 megahertz. So you must write first frequency point, for example, 5 megahertz, enter, 10 megahertz, enter, and 120 megahertz, enter. So now you have 3 frequency points, and the system is ready to send this frequency list in list number 1 inside the RX unit. After click L1 list button, your PC shows this max frequency sent successfully. Okay. Second step, calibration procedure. Connect, before you must connect RX and TX through the fiber optic. Switch on RX, switch on TX. You can check the 2 battery left side, right side of TX and RX. 1.5 meter from the floor is the high, and 60 centimeter is the distance from the antenna. Now you can select STD and then cal, like calibration. Now you choose the list, remember your list, in L1 menu, L1 list number 1. Okay, and after calibration, now you wait, okay, fully zeroed, ready for measuring. So now you can go in measure and verify if you have some trouble about the reflection during this step. You go in manual. This is the first point in frequency where you have 0.8 dB. It's right, because you have nothing between the 2 antennas. So the attenuation for all 3 frequency points could be 0 dB. Next frequency point 0 dB, it's right, and last frequency point 1 dB, it's good. You must measure 0 dB or plus less 3 dB. At this point you finish the calibration, press ESC, go in measure and unconnected mode. Why you must press unconnected mode? Because after this selection, you can remove the connection. You start now, remove the connection. So you are ready to do the measurement. I'll show you this example. You collect all 3 0 show last measurement. First point 0 dB, 5 megahertz. Next point 0 dB, 10 megahertz. Next point 0 dB, 120 megahertz. So now it's possible to move the TX outside of the chamber at 30 centimeter from the door, for example, and this one RX inside opposite side at 30 centimeter. Obviously, you stay inside of the room, select measure, automatic, and now, and wait for the measurement. Okay? Now, I'll show you last measurement, first point, 9 dB because it's different orientation. Next frequency, 9 dB, next frequency, 3 dB. But I'll show you a real example. Open the door. Now for the demo, I move inside of the chamber TX and RX outside, but in your MRI room you can move in opposite sides. Ask, measure, automatic, now. Wait the complete desynchronization. Okay. You can see the first frequency 100 dB, 10 megahertz, 110, 120 dB. Yeah, more or less all three frequency points measure 100 dB of attenuation. If you want to see this value, ask, show last measurement, first point, 5 megahertz, 100 dB of attenuation, next frequency, 10 megahertz, 110 dB of attenuation, and last number, 19 dB of attenuation. That's right.